Oh, you really got my hand in that. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's a bit different. So we've got say hello.
Hi.
Say hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Teal's here today. Today we're going to be doing 6 things. Short 15-minute video. 6 things, and we're going to be touching them in this bowl. Blindfolded. You ready?
Yeah, we've picked 2 of our own special
That we don't know about. So
yeah, and
she's
some
picked out.
other things that parents picked out, right?
So there's one thing I don't know about and one thing that she doesn't know about. You ready?
And the rest, like, we'll just randomly pick.
Yeah. Big up now.
So who's gonna go first?
You go first.
Oh.
No electric pen.
Yeah, no electric pen.
Right, ready?
Wait, me blindfolded first, or?
No, I'll be blindfolded first.
Okay, right.
Right, go. Put my blindfold on now. She's got the thing. Go. Put it in the bowl. And grab my ear so I don't actually know what's going in the bowl.
Yeah. Good
It's
idea.
in. No. Put it in the bowl, yeah. Hurry up.
Yeah, okay, it's in the bowl.
Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to do this. Look at.
Stick it in the bowl.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's spiky.
Do you want to take off your blind? Oh, it's in there.
Oh, I don't like touching it.
Do you want to take off your blindfold?
Not yet. Wait, I think I know what this is. Oh, I can't catch it because I've got a blindfold on.
Oh,
Isn't it that spiky ball thing that lights up?
Yeah.
Because I've got one of those downstairs. Is that it?
Yeah! Okay,
Winner.
bye-bye, spiky ball. Bye-bye.
Ah, you hit me in the head.
Well, the spike went in my hair anyway.
Right. You know what? My turn. Right, you ready? Put your blindfold. You ready? What is this? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Put your blindfold on. Okay, I've got the thing here.
It's so black.
I know. Put your hand in. There. You are not. Loads of dust came out of it. You farted.
Oh, I know what this is.
What is that?
It's a whoopee cushion.
Yeah, well, it's obvious when you squeeze it. You were not scared about touching that.
It was
Right.
fun.
Right, you know, don't get the next thing. Right, you've got it. Alright. I'm ready.
Okay,
Right,
you
I'm
ready
gonna
for your
put yes, just do it. I haven't. It's just scary because I know you've obviously got something I'm not gonna like.
Maybe. Oh god, the tin won't open. There we are.
Tin? What tin? You don't tell me you got baked beans or something.
Maybe.
No! Oh, I love baked beans, but not when I'm touching them and squidging them. Is it in the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh, what the? Oh. Oh, no, I found now. Oh, it's giving me shivers. What is that? Oh, what am I talking? Alright, now I've got it. It's like, that's slime. It's too hard to be slime. I don't know if I'm looking at you. I'm supposed to be looking at you, but
Yeah, you are. Well, now you are.
oh, I know what this is. Isn't that blue party stuff that I've got?
Yeah.
The yeah.
Wacky.
It is. I know it's
You
wacky.
nearly knocked the bowl over.
For the sake of it's fun. It's fun.
Right, I'll put this back in.
Do you want to wear this one because you don't like the black one, do you?
I do.
Alright, you're keeping that.
It's just so weird. It's all black.
Right, say goodbye. Give me that.
Okay.
Right. Put your blindfold on, I'm getting the other thing.
Wait.
I've got it. Put the blindfold on.
Okay. Is that on pause?
No, it's not.
Oh.
Right. Ready? Put the blindfold on.
Oh, it sounds so. Is that? Did you put the?
The thing is in the bowl. So there's a thing in the bowl, and then the thing is in that thing.
Oh, what is that? Oh, that's gross! What is that?
No, you actually just like, who mouth. The fact you don't even know if it's food or not, you still put it in your mouth. It's
jam! God, it's jam!
Dustness.
Oh, it's yummy. I think you should try. Oh, no, give me some. Oh, you just dripped some out of your mouth onto me.
What disgusting. Right. Right.
Now it's time for our special.
Now it's just right. So you're going to go and get something. I don't know what it is. Oh, so we're jamming. This is lovely.
Yeah.
Right, you're going to go and get it.
Yeah.
Right.
Magic.
It's I can't see it.
I
am terrified.
Oh yeah, you should be. It's going to be very nice.
But you picked this with my dad.
I asked him if I was allowed.
Right, you know, I'm putting my blindfold on. I'm just going to get this over and done with. It's one thing and not mix things like jam and butter.
Last time, like the first time I tried to pick something, it was ketchup and butter. But Gabe was like, no, it's one thing. So
One
I'm going to try and guess it.
no, that's it.
What?
Oh, no. Okay, right.
Did
Right,
you
ready.
see it?
I did not.
What colour was it?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, I don't like this.
oh, you're going to
Hurry up.
love this. You're going to... I'll guide your hand in.
Oh, what is that?
Okay.
Wait, where is it?
It's on the inside there.
Oh, I don't know. It's cold. It's really cold. It's not.
No.
What is hard to hold?
Oh God, you just... Oh God, it nearly went on the table.
You know, it feels like really wet slime. Like, you know, like egg when it's not fried yet.
Yeah. Exactly like that.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's an egg.
No way I guessed that! You got an egg for me.
Yeah!
Why am I still doing this? That's disgusting. Go give me. You got me too.
Yeah, I'm going to...
That is disgusting. Look at that! Probably can't see that, but oh, that is disgusting.
Look what he did to the poor egg! He murdered the egg.
You probably can't see it with the camera. So
God!
shite camera.
He murdered the yolk!
Oh,
It's
no,
just like
I
departed!
feel like a... Right, I'm gonna go and get my thing. Get your blindfold thing on. Oh, there's egg on my thing now.
Yeah.
Oh, I just wiped all over my fleece. Right, I'll be back. The thing... Wait, sit down. The thing has been collected. Cover your ears. Like, really well. Mayonnaise. You probably didn't hear that, but hey, I was actually just telling the viewers what that was. Come on.
Oh no, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to! Let me out! Ah!
Let's go, come on.
Where is it? I'm rolling up my sleeves. I know it's something nasty.
It's not.
I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, what's this?
That's the mouse. Leave the mouse. Leave
Oh,
the mouse. God's sake, you're never going to get this.
Is it mayonnaise?
You saw it, you cheat.
How did I see it? I can't see anything.
Like, beforehand, when you lifted it up.
I don't know. It just feels so weird.
She cheated. You're cheat. You're cheat.
Ew! Ew!
I actually really like that. Me too. Get rid of it. Now you eat that. No. No. Like, you know, we've got paper here somewhere. Ah! Wait. No, stop. Look what she just did to me.
Right, I can do some more.
Right, guys, that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to subscribe. Stop trying to put mayonnaise on my face. Leave a like. And I'll see you in the next one.